If you're trying to claim a free domain with Hostinger, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a super useful perk if you've purchased an eligible hosting plan and want to set up your website without paying extra for the domain name. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to finish the registration the right way. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Make sure you're signing in with the same account you used to purchase your hosting plan. This is important because the free domain offer is tied to your eligible hosting purchase. Next, you'll need to buy a premium or business hosting plan, and in most cases, the plan has to be for 12 months or longer. If you already completed this step, you can move forward. If not, choose the hosting plan that qualifies for the free domain promotion, then complete the payment process. Once your payment is confirmed, log into your Hostinger account and head over to your dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll manage your hosting, websites, and domain settings all in one place. From there, look for the option that says Claim Free Domain. This is the button you want to click to start the domain registration process. Hostinger should now open the domain claim section where you can begin searching for your desired domain name. Now enter the domain name you want. Try to keep it short, clear, and relevant to your brand or website. After typing the name, select the extension you want, such as .com, .net, or another available option. Then click Search so Hostinger can check availability. If the domain is available, you'll see the option to continue. Click Continue to move forward. If it's already taken, you may need to try a different name or choose another extension until you find one that is available. After that, Hostinger will ask you to fill in the domain details. This usually includes registration information such as your contact details and other required settings for the domain owner. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly. Once all the details are complete, click Finish Registration to officially claim your free domain. At this point, Hostinger will process the registration and connect the domain to your account. After the domain is registered, you can go back into your Hostinger dashboard and start linking it to your website if needed. This is a great time to set up your site, connect hosting, and make sure everything is working properly. So that's the full process for how to claim a Hostinger free domain. It's simple once you know where to look, and it can save you money when you're launching a new site. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.